This is Khalid Iqbal speaking from Dallas, Texas. The caption of today's vlog is gas station or convenience store business in United States of America. I believe that America is a very good place for doing business. Your money gets multiplied. Reason being, it is a level playing field. Reason being, there is no red tapeism. Reason being, it gives equal opportunities to everyone. Like other underdeveloped countries, there are so many problems, there are so many obstacles, and it sometimes gets very difficult for a person of average caliber, of average level, to get himself raised. So in that point of view, America is a beautiful land, and that's why it is known as land of opportunity. So I could recommend those who come to America to get their dreams fulfilled, and they have a short period. They are not the young ones, in 20 or 23 or 25 years old. So time is the essence. For them, I recommend them to go for business. And again, there are so many types of businesses, but gas stations, convenience store type of a business is the step one, is the ladder number one, is the stair number one. I plan to make 3 or 4 episodes on this business because I went through this business. I've been holding multiple type of gas stations at one time. Therefore, those events, those situations through which one has gone through, that could be spoken with the sound determination, with sound knowledge, and therefore I plan to make a 3 or 4 episode on this business, and definitely it will help the new immigrants who are coming to America in search of green pastures. And please don't forget to view my others episode, and this is going to be number 1. So to start with, those people who are coming to America and they have a legal status, they should go for this type of a business. This business is suitable for all those who are of average education, who are at average caliber, but those who are skilled, who are highly educated, of course, for them this business is not suitable. They need to go for that type of job for which they have educated, for which they have planned. And definitely, if they are specialists, if they have experience, if they know how to deliver, and they can make your employer happy and pleased, definitely they will be getting a very handsome salary. And then there is a growth, there is a career in their jobs. But coming to those people who opt for a business, this business is good one. Reason being, you need to show your management ability, you need to your administration ability, and the land is very suitable. The America and their cities and their suburbs and their counties and their streets are very suitable. Unlike in our countries, we have got a small store which is called corner store. Probably in this country the same theme has been applied, but this has been annexed with the canopy, with the pumps, with the sort of gas station, where people driving on the roads, they can fuel their cars, and they can stop by, and when they stop by, when they get the fuel, meanwhile they can go inside the convenience store and they can buy day-to-day merchandise, whatever they need. So in that way, the name of that business, which is operated in Pakistan with the name of corner store, they are known as gas station. So I believe that for the time being, this episode is sufficient to give an idea to the newcomers that what type of businesses they need to plan. I have already uploaded multiple videos giving different other type of businesses, but this is going to be the new one, and I plan to, as I spoken, 3-4 episodes more in this series. And thank you very much for viewing my video, and if further any information is needed, please don't hesitate to contact me at my cell number, at my email address, and definitely I will do whatever I can within my capacity. Thank you very much for viewing this video.